So guys, one of the ways you can make money from home is by writing. And if you're interested in doing writing and you don't know how to get started or where to get started, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to get started. And you guys know, with the influx of AI right now, writing has been made so easy. But regardless of the AI, people are still in demand for original writing. So that is why, if you're a beginner, I'll encourage you to go into it regardless of the presence of AI. So that being said, the first thing you need to know is to equip yourself with a skill. And to do that, you can either go to HubSpot and take their writing course and equip yourself with the writing skills you need. And all you have to do is just to make sure you finish this course from beginning to end, so you can be able to earn the certification that comes with it. Or you can go to YouTube and search for writing videos. There are lots of videos people have made on writing that can get you started as a total beginner. And once you have done that, the next thing you have to do is to head over to these platforms I'm going to mention right now to be able to start earning money writing as a total beginner. So the first one we're going to talk about is My Best, because you can build a community, you can make a lot of money from this platform, and you can be seen by people that you may be targeting, maybe entrepreneurs or business owners, that depending on what your goals are. So it is Medium. Now, a lot of people know Medium, and I must be honest with you, it's just like a writing version of YouTube. You can't just start writing immediately and you start making money immediately. You need to get some number of followers, and of course, if people that are signed up to the premium version or people that have membership on these places start reading your posts, you start earning money from the membership payments that they made. That is how you're going to make money on Medium. So people claim to have made around $100 to $2,000 on a monthly basis on Medium. So if you're interested, you might want to check out Medium. So the second one is Vocal. Vocal is my absolute favorite because there are ways you can make money aside from people reading your article on this platform. This platform has zero tolerance to AI. What it means is that your platform can get banned once you use AI to write. So they need original writing, and you have to curate your own write-up, your story. It could be fictional, it could be real life experience, it could be anything, and people are willing to engage. You can earn around $6 per 1,000 view on this platform. And the good thing is, if you engage in other people's posts by reading, commenting, doing stuff like that, you can stand a chance to earn more money. And of course, there are contests there that they pay for people to join in, and once you win this contest, you earn extra money. That is the good thing about Vocal. So you might want to check it out, create an account, and start making your write-up on this platform. So the next one is Simily. Simily is just like the junior version of Vocal and Medium, and on this place you can make any write-up. It could be short story, it could be fictional story, it could be your life experience, just like the previous one. Just make your write-up and publish it on this platform, and once you have published, and for every view you get, you earn around 2 cents on this platform. But you have to know that before you withdraw your money on this platform, you must get up to like $10 before you be able to withdraw your money on Simily. So it's another beginner friendly place where you can get started. So the next one we're going to talk about is one that can enable you to build a portfolio as a beginner writer. But before we go into that one, please take a time out, like this video. We've seen that a lot of you that watch our videos do not really like or subscribe. Please, this is the only way you can encourage us to keep making videos for you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. So the next one we want to talk about is Scripted. So this is what the website looks like, and as you can see, they have competitive pay. Claim they have paid over $1 million in 2020. So they have clients across 37 industries, and you have to work with a lot of clients. They manage your payments and projects and everything. As you can see, like I mentioned, you can build your portfolio, and of course you can work anywhere at any time. You specialize in writing in any industry. They have lots of industries here that you can write for, depending on what your niche is and what you're interested in. Now, the thing you have to know about this place is that you have to pitch for a job. Like, you have to pitch the idea of your interest before you be able to get a job. So it is quite competitive on this platform, and it means that you have to be very good to be able to be accepted or to be able to get a job writing here. And on this place, you have to know that for you to receive your payment on this platform, it depends on your writing tier on this platform, because you have writing tiers, like you have hierarchy of writers on this place, and if you are on the top hierarchy, you can expect to get your money paid in within a few days. And of course, they have some processing fees they have to take out some percentage for your writing. But unfortunately, you have to know that this platform is only available in Canada and the United States. So if you're in these places, you might want to check it out. So the next one I want to talk about is another one that works similar to scripted, and you have to pitch for clients on this platform. It's not like an open place where you have to be uploading your jobs, for people to come and read and you earn money by their views. Now on this place, it's more like a freelance platform. You have to look for clients and then you have to work with them, and the payment on this platform is quite tricky. So when you come here, you can see the people that they have worked with. You can see that the quality level of the type of job you delivered on depends on how much you're going to be receiving. So if your quality level, depending on the rating or number of stars you're giving, is 3, you're going to be receiving 1.1 cent per word, and if you get 4 stars, you're going to be receiving 1.5 cents per word, and if you get 5 stars, you're going to be receiving 4.5 cents per word. So on the average on this place, you're going to be earning per word. So they have star ratings that you have to bear in mind. What it means is that you must have to be very good at what you do so that you can get higher rating, and of course the higher your rating, the more the money you make. So if you're looking for other typing jobs that you might want to do, you might want to check out this video or check out other videos on my channel about remote work from home jobs that you can do. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.